Why scramble for short-term residency when you can hop in and out for 2 years? The UAE's mission visa is now multiple entry. Here's what that means. Spoiler: less paperwork, more projects. Effective from a cabinet decision published January 1st, the visit visa for work assignments, the mission visa, will convert into a 2-year multiple entry permit. Each trip can last up to 60 days, but watch the cap 180 days total in any rolling 12-month period. On the tech side, visa validity will be linked electronically to your passport, so you breeze through e-gates without fresh stamping every arrival. For global mobility teams, that means potential savings, fewer renewals, no more surrendering passports for cancellations, reusable visas for repeat projects. One new twist: there's a mandatory medical exam inside 15 days of your first entry. That wasn't required before, so employers should flag it in onboarding and plan timelines and budgets accordingly. Renewals will only be needed every 24 months. Practical note: implementing guidelines are expected early Q1 2026. Eligible professions: